there's one particular meal that, well, I say I'm always, well, I'm not finding it hard to make, but it's always in my mind. But anytime I remember it, it will just keep off my mind. But this holiday, hey, I said no, I must make it too. Guys, I'm about to prepare plantain porridge. Yeah. When last did you have this? I want to know when last you had it in the comment section, because I know that this meal, most people don't even remember to prepare it. Okay, let me take you through of my plantain porridge preparation. Stay back. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by to my, as usual. Don't, just click on the subscription button. You know, we are in holiday already. Holiday, so you have to be hearing everybody's noise here. So I'm sorry for the for the interruption. There must be noises because we're on holiday. So guys, let's dive in. I'm excited. I know you must be excited to have this plantain porridge with me. I have more here. I know this is dry fish. This is more ice fish here, and the one we call ogiribo. Ogiribo. Ogiribo is what? If you know it, please let me know in the comment section. So this is what I'm about. I'm still going to wash and set everything aside. Now I've washed the plantain. I'm peeling the back. Okay guys, this is me preparing plantain porridge for God knows when. For I can't even remember. Not that I don't have plantain, I do eat plantain, but the porridge aspect of it, because of the slicing and the cutting it into pieces and everything, because that's the way I normally make my. But this holiday I was like, no, let's make it, let the kids. But guys, the children that made me to make this plantain porridge, that is a story for another day. So this is me making Nigerian plantain porridge in United Kingdom. So guys, this is me slicing every sliceable. Yeah.
Oh, it hurts more than a little. Never felt the pain that I'm feeling now. If I could only get to the middle of this tornado. I've done my share of crying. I know that there ain't no denying. I'm leaning on a bow that's about to break. But even when it's chaos all around, it's okay 'cause you're with me now. Even when it's chaos all around, it's okay 'cause you're with me now. Now, now, it's okay 'cause you're with me now. Now, now.
When I lose all control, you're my comfort, my yellow brick road and my rainbow. When I'm in my head and it all hurts, you don't let me go. I've done my share of crying.
One thing is that my assistants will always be available to help. Don't ask me, is anytime I'm cooking that hobby is around. Maybe you would like call it a coincidence, or maybe kind of it's not you know how outside the country, you know, you have to do it with your partner, so that at least everything when you have someone along that is going to help with the kids, it is what it is. That is the way it's done. So guys, this plantain porridge is one of my best meal. If you ask my mom, she will literally tell you that yes, if you keep plantain porridge and keep rice, guys, I'm gonna have the plantain porridge to the core. But if you keep rice and keep swallow, I'm gonna have swallow. So you see, I'm not a fan. Not that I don't eat rice. Yeah, I eat rice. I eat, that party jollof rice. Nah. Okay, let's continue.
hurts more than a little. Never felt the pain that I'm feeling now. If I could only get to the middle.
Now went in with my sliced onions, salt to taste, seasoning cubes. Yeah, I add seasoning cubes to my more. Yeah, you can go in with dry fish, but I had more. And water, the quantity of water that you use for your plantain porridge. You know porridge now, so it needs a lot of water. So guys, I have blended what's it called, ogiribo, pepper. I even added fresh tomato as well. That's what I poured inside there. Yeah, crayfish is entering. And I'm about to, get spoon to pull my red oil. Please, I said we are on holiday, so I'm going to be hearing different. Well, so my red oil, the weather is a little bit, it's becoming nice. So our red oil is no more congealed. Let me just put it that way. So I went in with 2 spoons of red oil. Yeah.
It's okay, cause you're with me now. Even when it's chaos all around. It's okay, cause you're with me now. Now. It's okay, cause you're with me now. Now. No, I don't have to fear or worry.
As long as you're with me,
I know you got me now. I know you got me
it's okay, 'cause you're with me now.
Now my scent leaves, and I have to steam some fresh fish off cam here. So I went in with the fresh fish as well. Now tell me why my camera decided to do my camera did the most here. This was supposed to be you know how it's supposed to be, like, will I say vertical or horizontal? This was supposed to be vertical. Now tell me why this camera is in horizontal shape. But guys, please, so I have to give it a very nice step, because as you're looking at this food, your plate should be ready, so that your babe is going to serve you, because this is giving what it's supposed to give. Hey, thanks for watching.